Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use DoorDash DashPass benefit. In order to use DoorDash DashPass benefit, you could activate the membership in the app's account menu. So here's what you need. First thing first, you want to open your DoorDash app. Press open the profile initials at the top right corner of the screen. There, you just want to go ahead and locate account section, or you could just go to profile as well. Or if you cannot find one, you could go to settings. There you have accounts, select accounts or manage account. Or you could also see get $0 free delivery. You could press open this up. After which you just want to make sure to add an eligible Chase or RBC credit card as a default payment method to receive free or complimentary membership period. Now, Chase Sapphire members can activate a month of $5 credit in the app, which must be used within the calendar month as well. And that's how you're going to use DoorDash DashPass benefit. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.